You can't take it back, no. I've got so much left to say, but I'll take the words and walk away.
Good morning, guys. It's 9:30 right now, or 9:30 if you're one of those normal people. I'm at Kobe's house again. He's, as you can see, please stop. As you can see, his helmet's a bit muddy. He went camping last weekend. Yeah, and they went through a lot of mud. His bike's clean though.
I sprayed it off with a power washer.
Yeah, you did something right. So I woke up this morning, saw on my phone there was like a flash flood warning for this area, but you know, I mean the water's kind of, you know, right there, and it was draining down the hill. You know, so I mean it was. Oh yeah, there's a tree there, but so the water might be high in the creek. I don't know. It actually flooded about
a week
weekend.
before we went.
Yeah, a week before they went camping. It was actually the weekend after I was over there last time recording, because it, you know, it flooded the weekend before that one. So I went. And it was, you know, it was changed, and it's gonna be changed again this time. I'm thinking because it flooded.
I don't know how much, because it wasn't as high. But
It wasn't as high, seriously?
it wasn't as high as
Jeez.
last time.
Okay, well he sent me pictures, and I was surprised at how high the water got. That was crazy in my opinion, but I don't know, whatever. I'll let you know where the water was on some of the pictures he sent me once we get over there. So yeah, I guess you can lead.
Gotta do a rep battle.
I don't need to blow any O-rings today. Let's just get to driving. Wow, I've never seen water in there. Never seen water before down there in that little, I don't know what you want to call it, little kind of valley thing, I don't know. Crevice, I don't know. But yeah, I've never seen water running through here, so that means the water was definitely high.
Water was up in here. It wasn't as high down the bottom one.
Yeah, so water was up here. Because you can see there's, you know, a puddle over there because, you know, that's water.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
I'm hoping I can record Kobe. Finish the holy cow. This might be a short video, guys. This is the creek right here. Yeah, the water's slightly high, as you can tell. I mean, you know. Jeez, I don't know if we'll be able to make it through the first crossing if it's this high. I doubt we will be. Oh yeah, we're not going to be able to make it through that.
You want to go through it?
If I had a snorkel and a wetsuit, I'd be happy to go through that. But wow, dude, look at how fast that water's moving too. I'm tempted to put the waterproof cover on my GoPro. Put the handlebar mount on the kayak paddle and we can kayak.
You want to? That would be fun.
That would be. I'm gonna say let's wait till it's like noonish. That way it's a bit warmer because it's too cold right now at 9:30 in the morning. Like,
That would be a cool video.
I put that. Magic, it disappeared, guys.
It got sucked under.
Shh. Kobe, quiet. I'm a magician, guys. Magic. Yay, magic. We'll be riding on the road up there down to the bridge. And I'll record that too. Alright, let's go. Guys, that was pretty good. 48.
You hit that squirrel.
Miles an hour, guys. That's good. And you heard the sound of this thing at full. I mean, we're going up a hill. I mean, my top speed's 51. What is that? 3 more miles an hour? 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah. So 3 more miles an hour, and I would have been at my top speed of 51. I was going uphill, so I mean, you know, it makes sense why I'd be able to go 48. Which that's still crazy fast, guys. That's you know, moving pretty good. The sound of this thing at full throttle, you guys, I hope you like that sound because I love it. The sound of this thing at full throttle is high res in general on this thing, but full throttle, oh man, it just sends a chill down your spine. The sound, it sounds so monstrous. Like that sound also sounds good whenever you're running it, you know, accelerating. But when this thing actually hits full throttle, it just sounds so good. Listen to that! Listen to that sound! You cannot say that does not sound good. Just, oh, it sounds just like such a meaty, like, growl. Like it's, oh my goodness. I love the sound it makes. Man, oh man, I love this bike